Hey y'all, welcome to
Every second counts.
Well, I made it to the train station and now I'm just waiting. It says 4 minutes till our train gets here.
All these little games, you can call me by the name I gave you yesterday. Every minute counts. I don't wanna watch TV anymore. Can you figure me out? Just to waste more time on the couch. Can you see me? I'm waiting for the right time. I can't reach you, but if you want the pleasure's all mine. Can you see me using everything to hold back? I guess this could be worse. Walking out the door with your bags. 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 Pour your glass of wine. Mitchell told me I should be just fine. Cases under the bed, spill it open, let it rush to my head. I don't wanna be forward, I don't wanna cut a corner. Save us with everything I have inside me. I'm not the type to run. I know that we're having fun, but what's the rush? Kissing you, my cheeks are so flushed. Tell you how I felt, sugar-coated mountain in your mouth. Pardon my emotions, I should probably keep it all to myself.
With this set of stairs, the trudge begins. That thing is massive.
Taken here, is there a meaning to your grief? Where there is pain, you see grace. As if sacrifice was meaningful and in itself. Your trial and error is error and error. Staying at the end of a whole world.
Wow. I made it to the swap exchange and nobody else is here yet. I have to say, I kind of expected things to be a little cheaper, but it's still fun to look at stuff. I brought enough for food at the very least. I'm definitely feeling a corn dog, so I might do that. We'll see. I've barely filmed with you guys though.
Oh, it's okay.
You're too busy having fun.
I like oh, it makes a nice sound when you oh yeah,
about your cryptic ways. Aren't willing to change. Hold grudges.
Hi, officer.
Hoping for your turn.